Canada has a new face at the helm of its foreign policy. Prime Minister Mark Carney, who led his party to victory in the last month's national elections, unveiled his new cabinet today, a learner, more streamlined team that signals a shift in both tone and strategy for the country. Among the key appointments, Carney named Anita Anand as Canada's new Minister of Foreign Affairs, replacing Mélanie Joly. The Prime Minister trimmed the size of the cabinet significantly, down to 29 ministers from 39 under foreign Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. Anita Anand brings both depth and experience to the role. A lawyer, academic, and a seasoned parliamentarian, she has represented Oakville since 2019. She previously held several high-profile cabinet positions, including Minister of National Defence, Minister of Public Service and Procurement, and most recently, Minister of Innovation, Science and Industry. Born and raised in rural Nova Scotia, Anand is the daughter of Indian origin medical professionals who immigrated to Canada from Nigeria. Her academic credentials include degrees from Queen University, Oxford, Dalhousie, and the University of Toronto. She was called to the Ontario Bar in 1994. Anand rose to national prominence during the COVID-19 pandemic for her critical role in securing vaccines, personal protective equipments, and test kits for Canadians. Later, as Defence Minister, she led initiatives to combat sexual misconduct in the Canadians' armed forces and worked to modernize military culture. India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar was among the first global leaders to congratulate Anand. He wrote on social media, "Congratulations, Anita Anand, on your appointment as Canada's Minister of Foreign Affairs." As Foreign Minister, Anand is expected to play a central role in reshaping Canada's global relationship, particularly with the United States, as Prime Minister Carney promises a new era of economic and security cooperation. Anita Anand's journey from Nova Scotia to one of Canada's top diplomatic posts is both historic and inspiring, with a packed agenda and growing international challenges. All eyes will be on her as she brings this new chapter in public services. Stay with us for more updates on this developing story. Subscribe TimesXP.